I'm Hilary Wood and I'm a director at EEVS Insight Limited. Yeah, so measurement and verification has a really critical role to play in energy performance contracts. So it's really the process of disaggregating an energy saving, so something that's been achieved by a particular project from what would have changed anyway, and that's the critical thing really. We're trying to disaggregate what the project has done. And so with performance contracts, of course, there's a guaranteed energy saving at stake, and so it's the measurement and verification that gives meaning to that guarantee. So robust M&Vs basically just gives us a way of determining what the payback is, because we've been able to measure the project and see how well it's performed, and we can then use that information to make decisions about what we do next. So basically future business cases if we're not already doing it because we need to measure the energy saving. We have a tendency perhaps in M&V or maybe just in energy management in general to rely on utility data quite a lot, and often just at a monthly level, and there's a lot more that we can do, especially around using more granular data. We can get half-hourly data. If we can get sub-meter data, that's absolutely brilliant, and we can make so much more use of that and make more informed decisions about what we do, and also like demonstrating the performance just in a more certain way, which is just really helpful. So digital platforms like Spacewell are really helpful if they can help us to automate the process of collecting data, if they can help us track when we're missing data, and they can also just sort of streamline the process of arranging it in a way that's easier to communicate to other people. So being able to sort of visualise it, I think, is really helpful in terms of getting across what a project has achieved.